Welcome, beautiful soul. Today, we're connecting with the moon and tarot for gentle guidance. Let's align with the moon's energy and discover what messages await you. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel your body relaxing, your mind quieting. Set a simple intention for this reading. You might say silently, I ask for guidance aligned with the current moon energy. There's no right or wrong intention, just what feels true for you. Shuffle the deck and draw your first card, the new moon card. Ask yourself, what is beginning for me right now? This card highlights new opportunities, fresh perspectives, or intentions forming in your life. Notice any thoughts, feelings, or images that arise. Next, draw the waxing moon card. Ask, what action or focus will help me grow this? This card shows what to nurture, build, or actively work toward. Listen to your intuition. Subtle insights are often the most important. Now draw the full moon card. Ask yourself, what truth or clarity is coming into focus? This card reveals insights, emotions, or realizations that want to be seen. Take a moment to notice any strong feelings or intuitive hits. Finally, draw the Waning Moon card. Ask, what is ready to be released or healed? This card points to habits, beliefs, or emotional patterns you can let go of. Imagine releasing what no longer serves you as you breathe deeply. Take a final moment to look at all four cards together. Notice the story they tell and how it connects to your life. You don't need to analyze everything, trust your intuition. When you're ready, thank your deck and the moon's guidance for this reading. Take another deep breath and slowly return your attention to the room around you. Trust the pull, trust the timing, and most importantly, trust yourself. Enjoyed this message? Join our YouTube Omnistian family at The Omnistians by subscribing, and let's create a space filled with clarity, healing, and support together. Return next time, your message will be waiting.